Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, JasmyCoin. We're still having a relief rally in the altcoin market. JasmyCoin is still pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. But how high can JasmyCoin go in this relief rally? Are we going to blast above the $0.0084 level before the end of the rally? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at JasmyCoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap, which has rallied above the $300 million region. Can JasmyCoin's market cap continue rallying towards $500 million? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We have started 2023 on a very bright note for all coins. We've seen all coins pumping to the upside. In the case of JasmyCoin, JasmyCoin has rallied up 77% in the last 1 month. But guys, let's not get carried away. We're still deep in the crypto bear market and JasmyCoin is still down 84.2% on a yearly time frame. But how high can JasmyCoin go in this relief rally? We've seen JasmyCoin drop to as low as the $0.0027 level. Right now, JasmyCoin is currently trading around $0.0065. We've seen JasmyCoin in this relief rally up by 162% in a 38-day period. Can JasmyCoin rally above the $0.0084 level? That level is a major resistance level for JasmyCoin in this bear market. We saw JasmyCoin trying to form a base around that level since May 2022, but finally we saw JasmyCoin going below the $0.0085 level by September 2022, and since then JasmyCoin has not been able to trade above the $0.0083 region. JasmyCoin went down an additional 67%. Guys, if JasmyCoin gets to that level, we might see it facing some rejection. That's a very critical level for JasmyCoin. We saw JasmyCoin having some major bounces off that level during the bull market in June 2021. As JasmyCoin was dumping to Goblin Town initially, we caught a hard bounce off that level that took JasmyCoin up more than 3,000% in just 126 days. And as JasmyCoin continued dumping to Goblin Town again after November 2021, we saw JasmyCoin hit that level again in May 2022. And what happened after that? We saw JasmyCoin have a bounce off that level, even though this time the bounce was not as outrageous as the first time we had a bounce off that level. But JasmyCoin went further to have more bounces off that $0.0084 region before we finally broke down to Goblin Town. So I'll not be shocked to see JasmyCoin still get rejected at that level. Maybe, just maybe, we will come to test the $0.0027 level. Guys, with all coins, there's a possibility that the bottom might not be in. And if you take a look at JasmyCoin's RSI, it's almost at the highest point we have seen it since the bull market. So I'll not be shocked to see JasmyCoin's RSI dump to lower values, which in turn might lead the price either to set new lows in this bear market, or best case scenario, coming to test the $0.0027 region. But if we continue rallying up to higher prices as we have done in the last 1 month, if JasmyCoin continues to surprise us in 2023, we might just see it before the end of this relief rally blast above that $0.0084 level. And there's always that possibility that JasmyCoin can even rally to as high as the $0.025 level before the end of this bear market rally. But for us to get that high from where we're currently trading right now, JasmyCoin will need to rally an additional 297% to the upside. But we may not see JasmyCoin rally that high in this relief rally. There's a lot of factors that are coming into play, and the first factor is JasmyCoin's market cap. Now, we've seen JasmyCoin's market cap rally up crazily in this bull market. Right now, a maximum supply of over 50 billion tokens. JasmyCoin has more than 46 billion of those tokens in circulation, which is good news. It means we're not going to get any surprises from JasmyCoin in the coming future, but at the same time, it has distorted JasmyCoin's market cap. We've seen the market cap in this bear market go from as low as $17.9 million. Guys, in the space of 12 days, we saw JasmyCoin's market cap rally to as high as $170 million, going up around 900%. But we did see the price shoot up that quickly, and that meant we saw more Jasmy token coming into circulation, and that's why you saw JasmyCoin's market cap go from $17 million to $170 million. Right now, JasmyCoin's market cap is around the $305 million region. For us to break to new all-time highs, we basically just need to pump an additional 404%. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's US dollar price chart, if we go up 404%, we will barely be where we were trading in March 2022. So right now, even though I expect to see JasmyCoin setting new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run, if we say dumping the market where JasmyCoin is dumping 70 or 80%, on the market cap chart, JasmyCoin will not be setting new lows, but on the price chart, we'll see JasmyCoin setting new lows, because from where we're currently trading right now, an 85% dump to the downside will carry JasmyCoin to the $0.001 level. That's why you want to be careful with all coins in the bear market. Yes, we're buying some JasmyCoin right now in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, believing we're going to see JasmyCoin pump to new all-time highs. But you don't want to get carried away by these green candles we're seeing on the daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. Because with all coins, most of these pumps in the bear market is to just deceive you before we continue dumping to gobbling town. We had this kind of pump in March 2022 where we saw JasmyCoin rally up by 350% in just an 18-day period. A lot of people FOMO'd right there thinking we'll start pumping straight to new all-time highs. But what happened after that? JasmyCoin dumped an additional 94%, going back to gobbling town. So even though I'm cheering for JasmyCoin to pump to higher prices in this relief rally, the highest I see us getting to in this relief rally might be that $0.048 level. And this is actually just a best case scenario for JasmyCoin in the bear market. So as you're buying some JasmyCoin, remember to dollar cost average through the process. Remember, you want to have some capitals on the side in case we see JasmyCoin going to those lower prices, so that you can buy some on cheap, getting ready for the next bull run. And the last 1 year, we've seen JasmyCoin go from as high as $0.048 to as low as $0.0027. JasmyCoin has a market cap of over $300 million, a fully diluted market cap of $328 million, and it's currently ranked 121 on CoinMarketCap, with more than 108,000 people having JasmyCoin on their watch list. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market, it's behaving exactly how you expect an altcoin to behave. We have seen it pump really well in the bull market, and right now, JasmyCoin is giving those gains back to the market. And I won't be shocked to see us, even though we're rallying on the JasmyCoin US dollar price chart, we might just be dumping or going sideways against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the bear market, a lot of market participants are scared to buy altcoins. They are scared to flip their Bitcoin and Ethereum for some altcoins, and that's represented by the volume of flipping we're seeing from Bitcoin to JasmyCoin. Yes, we're pumping to the upside, and yes, the RSI is at the highest we have seen since the bull market, but you can see that JasmyCoin still has a long way to go against Bitcoin if we're to set new all-time highs. So be careful with all coins in the bear market. We might easily see one final dump to the downside, but we're still happy we're having a relief rally. We expected to see this rally, guys. 2022 was a very harsh year for altcoins. In the case of JasmyCoin, we saw this altcoin just dumping endlessly to gobbling town. But happily, we're seeing a relief rally, and these are key levels to pay attention to where JasmyCoin may face some rejection as we're pumping to the upside. If you take a look at JasmyCoin's market cap, we still have some room to pump to the upside. I can still see JasmyCoin's market cap maybe rallying up to the $500 million level before the end of this relief rally. A 63% pump to the upside will not be outrageous, and that will carry the price of JasmyCoin from the $0.0063 level. 63% pump will carry us right into a major resistance at the $0.01 region. And for JasmyCoin's market cap to get above the previous all-time high, we'll have to see the market cap blast above $1 billion, going to as high as $1.5 billion. That will be a 391% pump to the upside. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you still buying more JasmyCoin right now in the bear market in anticipation for the next bull run? How high do you see JasmyCoin going in this relief rally? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.